Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Christmas Canon Rock on guitar using an easy method. We will start by learning 4 fundamental open chords. First, master the G major chord, then move to C major. Next, practice the D major chord, and finally, the E minor. These 4 chords form the backbone of the song, making it accessible for beginners. Focus on clear finger placement and smooth transitions between each one. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing the song's energy. We'll use a straightforward down-up pattern. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Try to emphasize the first downstroke of each measure to give it a strong rhythmic feel. Remember, slow and steady practice will help you achieve a clean and confident strum. Understanding the song's progression makes playing much easier. The chord progression for Christmas Canon Rock is G, C, D, and E minor. You'll repeat this sequence multiple times throughout the verses. The chorus section follows a very similar pattern, so once you master these 4 chords and their order, you're well on your way. Concentrate on making your chord changes fluid and in time with the music. To truly master Christmas Canon Rock, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes every day. Using a metronome will dramatically improve your timing and help you stay in sync with the song's tempo. Also, listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the feel and dynamics. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your playing speed. You'll be rocking out in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.